All right, guys. Good morning. Today is 11th of August, 2026. So I'm just going to walk you through what I'm looking at today, the page I'm looking at only. So let me start with good. This serves an inducement to this particular breakup order block, which God has triggered and moving, trying to reverse to the downside. I'll just go down to my 1 hour to watch out for a shift in market structure. So is either this low is taking, maybe this low is taking, could create an inducement and then sell from there, or maybe gold will maybe form another high, break, inducement, and something like this for a sell. So for now, I'm not going to do anything. I'll just have to pay attention to gold and until I confirm the downside movement. The next one is Ethereum. Ethereum also serves as inducement to this particular order block. Is also reacting to the downside as well. I don't want to count this as market structure shift. I want to see a break of this low or maybe a push to the upside that give us a failure to swing or flip of this low and then they break. Just a good confirmation that the market is about to drop. BTC as well. BTC tapped into this particular resistance zone here. It has resisted like 1, 2, and 3 times, and yesterday was so engulfing that it engulfed almost all these candles there. So if you go down to my 1 hour, I've not really confirmed the downtrend. I'm still skeptical about taking the trade, but I would want to see maybe come here and maybe give us a break, and then I'll confirm the bearish movement from there. Ethereum also triggered this 4 hours breaker block here. This is the inducement, and since then it has been moving to the downside. So I really want to see Ethereum maybe drop and break this low. So I will now watch out for a confirmation for the bearish move. The next pair is this. I'm currently on this particular US oil. I showed it in my yesterday video. The trade is currently running on let me check, $234, guys. $234, as you can see, $234. So the full TP is about $310, which is taking off this high. So I'm still holding and believing it's going to get to that high. So for now, it's still moving in our direction. The next pair I'm looking at is Euro AUD. After market tapped into this particular order block here, market gave a shift in market structure here, which is this place. Market gave a shift in market structure there, and this is a breaker block. So I'm expecting markets to come back to the breaker block. I'll go down to my 1 hour for confirmation entry for a buy that will take out this high and possibly take out this high too. So for now, I'm still watching. Then the next one is Euro GBP AUD. After market tapped into this breaker block here, market gave a shift to market structure inducement and it came back to mitigate the breaker block. And after mitigating the breaker block, it gave us another shift in market structure here. And after the shift, it gave us an inducement, and that inducement mitigated this particular breaker here. Mitigated the breaker is no longer valid, and we are left alone with this particular other block, which market has tapped into the other block. And I went down to my 1 hour time frame and to see the market structure. There's a market structure shift here, inducement, and then I entered through this particular breaker block. I've already entered the trade, but it has not triggered, so I'm still waiting. The next pair I'm looking at is a Euro card. Euro card tapped into this particular order block, gave a break of structure here, gave an inducement, market came back to that and gave us another shift in market structure here, this very place, and gave us an inducement as here. Let me just zoom very well so you can see. After this market structure shift that happened here, market gave us a pullback, which is this inducement that ended here. So I saw a POI in 4 hours, which is this particular red candle. Market has already tapped into it. So I'll just use my 1 hour and I'll watch out for market structure shifts. This is the last high. Maybe market will take it, give this, and boom. Or I feel like it might just create another high, maybe create another high here, and like go deeper and then break out the high and something like that. So that's just what I'm watching out for in EuroCAD. And if I take the trade, the tip is going to be at this high. The next one is GBP card. GBP card also, we had a multi breakout structure here, inducement. Market came back to this breakout block, to this other block, and after tapping into this other block, market gave us a market structure shift and then an inducement like here. Then I want market to come back to this breakout block. So something like this, market come back to the breakout block. I'll go to my 1 hour to watch out for something like this for a buy that will probably take out this high and this high as well. So this is the only thing I'm looking at for today. And okay, I didn't talk about the AUD CHF. I'm currently on this trade. I'm still holding it. I don't even know why it is doing all this messy move. Come on, bro, move up, I beg. I'm gonna hit my TP. It's currently on $195 as well. $195, if you can see for now. I believe it's gonna hit TP. I entered here and my TP is to take out this high. So I believe the market will definitely take out the high. So these are what I'm looking at for today. And if these two trades hit TP, we are probably going to be in profits, like about $556 profit. But I will still need more trades to take out. I still need more trades to trade to make 0.5% for the third day, so that I'll be eligible for withdrawal in my funded account. Why in my funded pips, I don't know why the market closed me that day. I don't even know what happened during the news on Friday. I can't really say how the market closed me from here. So that is it. So my plan is, if I'm able to make withdrawal from here, I'm gonna buy 10k good funded accounts to trade it. Then if I make another withdrawal, I'll buy 10k of fundedness. So I really want to trade with good fundedness, funding pips, and then FTMO. The Oga Pata Pata of them all FTMO. I've traded with all this. I've made withdrawal from good funded and made withdrawal from fundedness. I've gotten funded in funding pips, but I lost the account. But I've never traded FTMO because the account is expensive. So, but I believe once I start seeing profit, that is part of this thing I'm going to jump into. I just want to be trading those 4 firms for now. That's the only 4. Personally, I feel they are good. The only thing I have with funding pips is just sometimes they are spread. So their spread is just, I don't know. But it's all good. I'm just hoping that one day I will get funded in all of them, like 200k in all of them. So let's see how it goes. The first target we have is journey to 100k. So we still have 4 months remaining for this year. Hopefully by the end of the year, I believe I will get funded up to that. But if I didn't, I'm not going to pressure myself. There's not a competition. It's just what I aim to achieve. I'm not like giving myself timeline to say. It's not like I'm giving myself timeline, but I just want to work with that target, and let's hope it plays out. I think that's all for now. And do well to subscribe, do well to follow me, do well to comment. We'll start creating content, teaching content on trading. I have issue with my TikTok. I don't know what the problem is. If I make a post, the TikTok will remain 0. The post will remain 0 on TikTok. I don't know why. I don't just know why. So I think I'm going to focus on my YouTube. I will start creating content on my YouTube. I'll start talking about teaching some things and things about Forex. So I really want to grow the YouTube. It's also part of making money. If you grow your YouTube, you're making up to $200 a month, $1,000. Is it not money? Is it your money? I have. Whether you are giving quality, you are creating content and giving value to people. So I think I will start creating content and get consistent with YouTube very, very well. So let's see whether we can grow the YouTube and give ourselves like 1 year and see how far we are going to. It's not going to be easy, but there is money in YouTube. People are making money from YouTube. So it is what it is, and I'm really looking forward to growing bigger in this space, and I believe by the grace of God we all will achieve it. Oh, all right. I wish you guys a very wonderful day. Go out there and make blues. Love you. Cheers.